Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your formatting for RobotC. When you are done coding and you think that you're ready to basically compile a program, one of the things you're going to want to do is click on the button that says Fix Formatting up at the top. Once you click on this button, it'll fix your formatting for you. The reason you want to use this Fix Formatting button is it's going to line up all of your brackets so you can see if you're missing any. So for instance, your task main is all on this line down here. You'll notice that the close is missing currently. Your while true starts here and it goes all the way to here. The if statement starts here, and notice your if statement is ending down here, which is not what we want. And then your else statement goes from here to here. So because of this fixed formatting, I can see some of the basic issues that I have. One of the issues is my if statement should end right here. So I'm going to go ahead and throw in that curly bracket, and I'm going to take out the one where I thought it should have been. And then the second problem is my task main needs to end all the way down here. Once I do that, I can click Fix Formatting again. Notice it's going to fix those brackets once again. Now I can see that those line up, my while true lines up, my if statement starts here and ends here, my else statement starts here and ends here. That's the Fix Formatting button. It is really useful to keep your code organized.